Uber earned this much money in this year. Ola, the biggest taxi delivery company in India, earned this much money. InDrive, the now rising taxi delivery company, earned this much money in this year. Do you also want to start your own taxi business, but you are confused what features you should take and how to make your app? Then in this video, I'm going to help you completely about this. Hi everyone, this is Pooja Gurwal from Ronix, and today we are going to discuss about our latest taxi booking application Cabzoo, and we are also going to discuss what features Cabzoo application can give you so you can start your own taxi business and skyrocket your profit. So yeah, let's get started. So Cabzoo is a ready to launch application where you will get a user app, a driver app, admin panel and complete 1-year free technical support. In our latest version of Cabzoo application, we have bike booking, auto booking, rickshaw booking, car booking, everything available. We also have courier delivery feature, and in the latest version, we also have outstation feature. Yes, outstation one way and round trip. Both features are available now inside our app with complete application, user app, driver app, online tracking and everything. What are you waiting for? Directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen so we can help you to launch your own application like Uber.